In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change logo in Framer website. First, open your Framer project so we're looking at the site you want to update. Make sure you're in the editor view where you can see the canvas and the right-hand properties panel. This puts everything we need within reach. Next, open the Insert panel. You'll find the Insert button in the top toolbar. If the panel doesn't appear at first, click Insert again to make sure it opens. This panel is where Framer keeps components and basic building blocks. In the Insert panel, you can either use the search field or navigate manually. Head to Elements, then to Basics. This narrows the options so we can locate the building blocks used for the site header and logo. Now, look to the Canvas and the Layers panel. Click the highlighted items related to your header and logo to drill into the structure. Keep clicking the highlighted selections until you've targeted the logo element itself. You'll know you're in the right place when the properties on the right show controls specifically for the logo. Find the section labeled Logo Gradient in the Properties panel and select it. This opens the styling controls that affect your logo's appearance. Under Image, click to open the image control. Then choose Add to upload or pick your new logo file. SVG or a high-quality PNG with transparency usually works best. After it uploads, confirm it appears in the logo frame. With the logo in place, set the image focal point. Click Image Focal Point and drag the target so the most important part of your logo sits centered within its container. This prevents unwanted cropping and keeps your logo sharp at different breakpoints. While you're here, adjust the gradient colors to match the intended style. Select the color stops and choose the following sequence: black with hex 0000, blue with hex 0051FF, light blue with hex 0DAAFF, pale blue with hex BDE or FF, and again, black with hex 0000. This recreates the intended gradient steps and ensures smooth transitions around the logo. If your brand palette differs, you can substitute values without changing the process. When everything looks right, publish your changes. Click Publish in the top right corner, let Framer prepare the update, and then click Update to push the new logo live. Give it a moment, then preview your site to confirm the logo displays correctly across pages and devices. That's it. You've replaced the logo, refined its focal point,